Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, June 26, 2023. Approximately 20,000 residents in the Waltham Park, Whitfield Town area of Kingston are benefiting from a recently upgraded water distribution network. The Waltham Park Road Pipeline Replacement Project was completed at a cost of $450 million. During a recent tour of the area, Minister with responsibility for water, Matthew Samuda, pointed out that the initiative was part of a larger infrastructure development work to be undertaken in the area.
We're investing heavily in the distribution network throughout Kingston and St. Andrew to ensure that once we've completed the issues related to source, which is the volume of water that we have available to us, that we do not waste it, that we continue to reduce our non-revenue water and the leaks associated with same.
He said residents there and elsewhere in the corporate area could look forward to even more improved supply once other projects were completed.
We do know we're in drought, so though the new piping is there is regulated supply in the space. This will come to an end when we have completed our project at Content St. Catherine, which is the Rio Cobre water treatment plant. That will bring in some 15.5 million gallons daily into Kingston and St. Andrew.
Meanwhile, a $320 million sewerage expansion project in the Mona Heights community is now far advanced and set for completion within 2 weeks. The project areas include Bougainvillea, Spathodia, and Gardenia Avenue and is expected to benefit approximately 1,800 households. The project is part of the NWC's strategic goal to expand its sewerage coverage to 30% by the year 2030. It involves the installation of 2.2 kilometers of 8-inch pipelines and retiring a multitude of small on-site septic sewers to mitigate public health challenges and facilitate planned land development projects. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Matthew Samuda, toured the project area on Thursday and said many more projects of this nature would be undertaken.
The way we've developed with backyard pits is not the best way for us, and we are playing catch-up in many ways. We are investing at a rapid rate now, but admittedly this investment is decades late. We should have developed with our sewage lines. However, we are deploying capital at a faster rate than ever before from the NWC.
Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce Senator Aubin Hill wants to double the next cohort of companies that will participate in JAMPRO's Export Max program. Senator Hill says the numbers could move from the 50 that participated in Cohort 3 to over 100 in Cohort 4.
Today you have 50. We want to double it in a year. And anybody else over 100, we take them too. Because if we're going to go incrementally, you can't move the needle. You can't move the needle on that negative trade balance we have.
Minister Hill was addressing the closing ceremony for JAMPRO's Export Max 3. He said expanding the program offered a fast and efficient route for MSMEs to export sustainably, which was important for Jamaica to achieve economic growth.
Jamaica cannot achieve economic growth by selling to ourselves in a country with approximately 3 million people. As Jamaica's business minister, I want everyone to be an exporter of some good or service. Initiatives like Export Max program must be used as a critical tool in our efforts to grow exports and minimize Jamaica's huge negative trade balance. We have to reduce that trade balance.
The fourth iteration of the program is expected to provide differentiating features such as fast-track capacity development and tailor-made financing. And finally, the Ministry of Education and Youth is reporting a significant improvement in student performance in the mathematics component of this year's primary exit profile PEP examinations when compared to pre-pandemic results in 2019. This year, a total of 36,105 students were registered to take PEP. 57% were classified as proficient or highly proficient in math, up from 41% in 2019. The results further show that 54.4% of students adept in mathematics are females, with males accounting for 44.4%. Portfolio Minister Fable Williams says that while the outcome is a significant improvement, more progress needs to be made to help the male students.
The pattern is what we have observed over the years in terms of girls outperforming boys in mathematics. So that tells us that is something we have to redouble our efforts in to bring our boys up while we continue to support our girls.
In the meantime, the minister says advances were made in the academic areas of language arts, science, and social studies in comparison to 2019.
We are encouraged by what we're seeing, and we know that going forward we'll continue the plans, we'll continue the emphasis that we've had on literacy and numeracy. We'll continue the coaching programs that we have, all the strategies that our teachers use in the classroom to pull out students.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.